Hi, welcome to my Architectural Design Studio 6 project presentation. I present to you Aatreya office. The location of the project is in Jalan TB Simatupang, Jakarta Selatan. The site is facing directly to the main street and surrounded by commercial area, living community, and offices. Bike to work, it's the slogan of the office. Why? Bicycle, working, and greenery area. These are main concepts of the design. By bringing bicycle movement into the building, it can be an active idea to keep people move creatively and healthy. Also related to the user's habit in the working environment, biking can be one of the ways to reduce stress and relaxing mind. Next concept is working. According to the main function of the design, which is office, the building is designed as comfortable as possible to support the user's performance. And the last concept is the green building performances. The green areas in the design do not only appear as greenery area only, but also to support the health and the life of the building itself. The design provides green roof terraces as the green area and to ease the rainwater treatment. How does the design respond to site? Here are three environmental data of the site. The first one is the sun path. The area that receives the sunlight the most is the north and west side. Therefore, I need shading and secondary skin on those sides. The second one is the wind direction. The strongest wind comes from the southwest area to the northeast. Therefore, I need to cover the west area so the building can hold the wind. The last one is the street facades. The site has 3 street facades. That means the building needs 3 interesting facades that can invite people to come. The other response to the site is the mesh form. To respond to the site, the mesh is formed following the shape of the site. Next, I cut the middle part of the mesh to add an inner court to give the open green space and to let the sunlight into the building. Next, I lifted the building mesh into 12 stories to fulfill the building function. And the last one is to make terraces in each roof to create garden roofs and to ease the rainwater treatment. This is the side plan of the design. People can enter the site from A point, which is side entrance, go to the B point, drop-off area, and people with motorcycle or car can go to C point, basement parking entrance. The D point is the basement parking exit. To enter the building, people have to go to E point, which is lobby. The F point here is commercial area to be rented. J point here is co-working space, and H point is cafeteria. There is a connecting door between J and H point, so people in co-working space can go to cafeteria to buy foods and bring the foods back to co-working space. Since the bicycle can enter the building, the design provides parking area inside the building for the bicycle, which is E point. It is also a meeting point. The J point here is lift core and service shaft. The K point here is the powerhouse. The L point is the taxi parking area. The M is the parking area for the bicycle outside the building. The design is also supported by pedestrian. The design is also supported by the pedestrian path, which is N point. Align the site, and to exit the site, people go to the O point, which is site exit. This is the building axonometric. The building has 3 basements, 4 CCTV and audio control room, the loading dock, and 4 motorcycle and car parking, and also groundwater tank. In ground floor, the building has lobby, commercial area, co-working space, cafeteria, and services. And first floor, the building has co-working space 2, cafeteria, 1 gym and fitness room, 1 musola, rental offices with small and medium size, meeting rooms and services. In 4th into 6th floor, there are rental offices with medium and large size, meeting rooms, pantry, game room and services. In 7th to 10th floor, there are rental offices with large size only, meeting rooms, pantry, game room and services. In 11 gajah kali. In 11th floor, there is lounge and bar, kitchen and services. And the top of the building, there is water roof tank, solar panel and lift machine room. This is the rental office types. There are 3 types of rental office in this building. The first type is the small office, which can be filled with maximum 4 persons. The second one is the medium office. It can be filled with maximum 30 persons. And the large office can be filled with 40 persons in maximum. And there is meeting rooms, game room, pantry, meeting point and bicycle parking, and lift and services. The building efficiency of the design is 56% with 48.5 rental office, 1.3 co-working space, 3% of food and beverages, and 1.2% of commercials. The building structure is using core and rigid frame with side-cast concrete. You can enjoy the elevation of the building from the north and south side here, and from west and east side. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.